Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make the mini me animation using one picture. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is you can install this Capcut first, and don't worry because this app can be also installed both with your Android or the iOS phone. And right after the installation process you can simply open it, and also it is better to do the login first with your email because you can try more a lot of template by after doing the sign up with your email. And it is also related to the credit and also the chance that you will have to create the video or animation. And this will be the homepage of this CapCut. And after that I will go to the template here, and after that I will click this searching section and I will type mini me like this. And there are a lot of mini me or the several mini me effect. So here I will choose this one for example, and as you can see that this template will give you two chances to create the animation. So I will continue to use this, and after that it will direct you into this section to select a picture from your device. And for example I will choose this one, and after that I will click next to let this CapCut to generate this picture to show you the mini of you. And kindly wait for the process and make sure that your connection is good guys. A- and after waiting for maybe 1 minute until 2 minutes, so the picture is already will ready so show you the mini version of you. Let's see the result. Oh, isn't that cute, right? So don't forget to try this effect or this template into your CapCut, and please let us know what you think about this template and leave us the comment section. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.